Hi, I'm Jody and I come from Mizoram. I'm studying International Diploma in Culinary Arts, and I came to know this BCA through the social media. And I'm choosing this BCA is that I want to learn about the basic things like food safety and the basic knowledge of the equipment and how to use it. My friends, I make a new friends here, and the chef and the staff, they were so friendly and so humble, and they taught us like new things and new cuisine like French, Italian, Spanish, and we learned so many things about the Oriental also. And for me, I like Japanese cuisine, and they were so good in that one. And now I'm looking forward about my internship from this year.